Ford, the only Detroit automaker to dodge direct government aid in bankruptcy court, surprised investors with net income of nearly $1 billion in the third quarter. The better-than-expected performance was driven by a boost from the government's Cash for Clunkers program, as well as strong demand for the company's small to mid-size cars.
Well, they have obviously a very strong business in trucks, but if you look at the more recent product launches, they've done very well in the hybrid category. I think they're the #2 selling hybrid brand in the United States. And one of the more recent product launches is the famous Ford Taurus, which used to be iconic, kind of damaged over the years in terms of the brand image, but it's come back very strong.
Ford forecasts that it will be solidly profitable through 2011, but getting there is likely to be difficult. Recent labor negotiations failed to bring Ford's costs in line with GM and Chrysler's.
Well, I don't think that's over. I don't think that story's finished yet. I think clearly the rank and file rejected the concessions, but it's going to be back to the negotiating table, and I'm sure that we'll see there'll be some sort of concessions given to Ford. I don't know if they'll get to parity with GM and Chrysler, but maybe partially there.
Ford was able to avoid bankruptcy court, a fate GM and Chrysler could not escape, by mortgaging its factories and even the familiar blue oval logo before credit markets froze last year. But the credit freeze still put a significant dent in Ford's operations. The company lost more than $14.6 billion last year and hasn't posted a full-year profit since 2005. Diane Kepley, The Associated Press.